I like the fact that it's a big centre, but it doesn't really feel big when you're here because it's got a really nurturing, smaller feel to it. But like when you do drop off in the morning, everyone's, the other teachers are really chatty, whether your child is in their classroom or not, and you just feel really connected to everyone.
She loves to sing and dance and music, and they bring in specialist music educators, so I'm always amazed when she comes home and can sing a totally new song.
They're always doing different activities, learning about different things, the sea, dinosaurs, making Play-Doh, learning about recycling.
When she comes home, she's quite often got a lot of sand in her shoes, so I would say she likes to spend a fair bit of time in the sand pit. She loves to get her hands dirty. This place really supports that. There's a lot of opportunity for her to explore those, those things.
Outdoor facilities include the rock climbing wall, we have a mud pit that the children use, the animals with the chicken, bunny, guinea pig that they visit regularly.
I think the facility is pretty impressive, like the extent of the yard and all of the things that they have to do. She loves the animals and the garden, so she'll talk about the days where she gets to go feed the animals and go play in the garden. She particularly likes Paisley the bird.
We want every child to be the best learner that they can be. That's through allowing each child to be an individual, not tailoring everything just to a group as well.
The food at Paisley Park is amazing.
Our food philosophy is about establishing healthy eating habits early on in life. They can carry on into adulthood. We do this by having a large variety of fruit and vegetables that we pick up from local suppliers, which creates a strong bond with the community.
Date night is an evening where the educators put on a little program in the evening and you can leave your child here, which gives parents the opportunity to go out for dinner, to be given effectively free babysitting, but in a place that we know Evie's really happy to be is a real benefit for us.
I'd recommend Paisley Park to other parents because I think it's a fantastic environment for my daughter to grow into a little human being, and I just don't think you can ask for anything more than they provide.